Hi, welcome back. Another important learning in Excel. Last session, we have learned about how you can able to use a function. This session specifically dedicated for if error function. So if really wanted to learn Excel in perfect way, there is only one simple thing. Please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. Okay. Let's try to check how if error works with one dedicated example. If you look at this table, so the column C says name of items like wheat, sugar, milk powder, these kind of items. So this is talks about your total quantity, okay? And this is how many kgs they bought it, okay? 10 kgs, this much. It can be $1,000 or 1,000 rupees. You can imagine anything. This is the price for total kgs, okay? Here some places. So, symbol special symbol got maintained, not the number. What happens if I try to divide? If I would like to get, so 10 kgs is $1,000 assume. If I divide with 10, I will get rate per kg. Okay, so equal to, so let's try to do one thing. Let me try to change 1 second. So let me try to change this column. Okay. So this, I'll make it this one. Okay. So now equal to, okay. So this is the total quantity divided by number of kgs, you will get 100. Okay. This you already learned, okay, how to get the value. So let's try to drag it down. So when 10 is divided by 1,000, you got $100. So this is 15 you divided by this quantity, $333 dollars, almost 334. This is 100 again, this is 100 again, this is 200. But if you look at this, how about this? So if you get this kind of, that means you cannot able to do this. This is not a number. So such a cases, it can be alphabet also. Okay, it can be, suppose say that B. So it will not have any meaning. So such cases, if you would like to display some meaningful messages, okay. So how we can able to do that? You can able to do by using if error function. If error, you take, okay, equal to if error, okay. So same thing, you try to divide with total quantity with your quantity, comma, okay. So if you find an error, okay, what is the message you would like to show? Okay, if I want, I can keep it 0 numeric character. Okay, let me put it uh, nil, okay, or else not applicable. Okay, you can keep anything. Let's put it nil as of now. Okay, so close this. If in calculation, if you find error, it should be replaced with this word. Okay, so now this is fine, and let's try to drag it down. Now you can able to see this. It is copied with nil. Okay, so if really wanted to change it to, okay, any other, okay, not okay. So calculated error. Okay? If you want, you can able to change it also. Okay, you can write some text also. No one is going to stop you. So let's put this same thing here. Okay. So let's try to drag it down. So now you can able to see calculated error. So that is the basic advantage of if actually. Okay. Let's try to do the sum actually. Equal to sum. Okay. Of this equal to how much? 933. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 933. So this is the thing, it is coming. Okay. Suppose you make this one as, again, so you don't make this one. So what it will happen, let's see. Okay, error will come. Okay, so let me try to take this formula. Okay, press enter. So now value came. So then the total is coming wrong, right? Okay. Such a case, what we can able to do you? Okay, for example, this, let's try to copy this one here also. Okay, initial way. That means the formula is not with if actually. Okay, if I click here, okay, this is the same formula there everywhere. So once I apply, the total should be come properly. Here total didn't come properly, right? This is another scenario. For example, you take the case again, if error, okay. So this one is again divided by this one, comma. So here what you can able to do it, numeric 0. Let's keep it numeric 0. Okay. So press enter. So uh, then try to drag it down. See now total is coming. So if it is 0, then total is coming. Okay. This is how you can able to use the if error function. I think by this time you understood, right? Okay. This is just simple if error, whatever the calculation you wanted to do it, and the value what you would like to replace it if you find an error. Okay. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe my channel to get more inputs. Okay. Have a great day.